Hey guys, so I'm on the porch right now. Because the reason why I'm out here, because I'm going to show you this. Look over there. What do you see? That's right. There's a little bit of lightning out here. Almost coming from everywhere. You can't really hear the thunder, but you can see the lightning. I know it's not flashing really bright, but I'm not holding on anything metal. I'm in my pajama pants, my pajama shirt, and I don't have anything metal in my hand. Because that would not be a good idea. Otherwise, I would get struck. Yeah, it looks cloudy on this side a little bit. And there's lightning coming from way over there. Yeah, there's lightning coming from over there. See where my hand is pointing? See where my finger is pointing? It's coming from over there. Oh, the air conditioner kicked on. Startled me. You'd see it. There's a little bit of lightning out here. If you're not holding anything metal out here when there's lightning, that's safe. And if you're holding on metal stuff out here when you see all that flashing, not safe. Pretty dangerous. I know the thunder is not rumbling, but the lightning is not flashing really bright. Because the lightning only flashes really bright in the thunderstorm. Wow. Alright. I just wanted to give the video a little pause. Alright, that'll be it.